Hey everybody, my name is McClintock, and today I'd like to teach you how to play Dreamer or Vivo Sonhando. We're going to open up on a G major 7, and I'm going to go over to a G6, and then I'm going to play an E flat major 7 with G in my bass, and then I'm going to play an E flat 6 with G in the bass as well. We're going to go back to G major 7, back to G6 again, and then I'm going to move up to B minor 7, and then to an E7 with a flat 9, A minor 7, I'm going to move that up to C minor 7, move that back down to B minor 7, to the E7 flat 9 again, and now for the first ending we have A minor 7, D7 flat 9, G major 7, and then I like to go to a G minor 6. Now we're going to repeat almost all of that again, so G major 7, G6, E flat major 7 over G into an E flat 6 over G, back to G major 7, G6, up to a B minor 7, to an E7 flat 9, A minor 7, moving up to C minor 7, down to B minor 7, to an E7 flat 9, and now for the second ending of the tune, we're going to play A13, A7 with a flat 13, A minor 7, D7 flat 9, to G major 7, to a G6. Nice and slow, it'll sound like this. First ending. As a reference, I've been using the legendary Getz Gilberto recording to check all the chords for this. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again. It's just reminded me how good João Gilberto is as a bossa nova guitar player. I mean, he is just really all we need as a foundation to learn from and study from. So if anybody out there is starting to get into the bossa nova guitar style, I recommend listening to anything by João Gilberto. He's just tremendous. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving me a like. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.